So here we have some unboxing of some Search Press books, which I've been asked to do a review on. Now I've opened some of it, but let's do the last little bit and see what we've got in here. I love doing book reviews. So, oh my goodness. Right. Granny Squared Tops, Bags and More by Salena Baca. Oh, I've looked at quite a few of her things. So this is the Granny Square, but re-envisaged into quite a few different things. Okay, so I'll look forward to doing a review of that one. Gosh, look at these, it's lovely. Creative Modern Crochet for the Home. Lucy, apologies Lucy, Djevdet, I don't know how to pronounce that. That's a lovely bag on the front. I really like that. Oh wow, look at this. And as quite often in some of these books, you have a handy conversion table at the front between US and UK. So let's have a brief look through. Not sure what that is, but I'm sure it will be fun, whatever it is. So getting started, techniques, I want to see the projects, here they are. So we have, looks like a lampshade, a cushion, some useful wall holder things, tin holders, blah blah blah, baskets, that's what that basket was there, and a few other things. I love that wall hanging. I'm not normally into wall hangings, but I do think that's quite pretty. Okay, so that's that one. Gosh, aren't I lucky? I have easy sweaters to knit, stylish knitting patterns for sweaters and cardigans. Let's have a look through. Nice sort of flowy type shapes it looks. Soft, not too chunky, just nice and feminine. Okay, we'll have a look at that. Another crochet one. Oh, now this has a part in my heart because I did the tech editing for this book, Random Acts of Crochet Kindness. Now you might have come across this where people just leave a crochet item with a little note somewhere for someone to find and take them with you. Random Acts of Crochet Kindness. It's so cool. So I remember some of these were really pretty. They're all quite small, obviously, because you make them up for someone else to take away. But there's some lovely ones in there. I know that from experience. So that's that one. I'll be getting a review. And of course, another one of the Granny card deck. But this one is with flowers. Now again, this is another one. Let's see if I can get this open. That I tech edited. So I do know what's in here as well. But you're going to love these. So, as with the previous boxes, you have a little bit of information there about how to read charts. Lots of information about how things are made up in the pack. And then you've got your cards, which you can shuffle about and mix and match, with an image on one side, a chart on the other side. I just love these. They are so beautiful. And these ones, as the name suggests, are all different types of flowers. So some beautiful, beautiful flowers here. If you're into flowers, this is a great box to have. So look out for my reviews on these, because I do a proper review with, you know, what I think is really good about it, any things I think maybe could do a bit improvement, but there's usually not many of those. So I'm looking forward to get stuck into these reviews, and you can get a 25% discount from my blog when I put the reviews up. Thanks for watching.